Frost-free multi-door refrigerator, energy efficient. Capacity, 270 liters, suitable for a medium-sized family. Storage and interior description. Cooling type, frost-free, display type. Thermostat, shelf material, toughened glass, compressor type, reciprocatory. Energy efficient. As unbelievable as it is, the all-new PROTTON World Series consumes lesser energy than a CFL asterisk, making it one of the most energy-efficient refrigerator in its class. Asterisk T and C apply. As compared to a 60-watt CFL. Special feature. Stabilizer-free operations even in high-voltage fluctuations between 160-300 V. Warranty. 1 year on product, 10 years on compressor. Item dimensions and weight. 71.7 D times 60.1 W times 187.4 H centimeters. Weight. 62 kg.